Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2014 Audi A4 Premium Plus. This is the S-Line package, so it does have the S-Line exterior features, and this is equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It is finished in Ibis White. "18-inch 10-spoke aluminum wheels. Up here at the driver front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Up here on the driver front quarter panel, you will notice just a few small dimples there. I'd say 1 or 2, very small, hard to see. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Front and rear tires have about 830 seconds of tread life. Front brakes measured at 11 millimeters, and rear brakes measured at 12 millimeters. So no replacing those anytime soon. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, there's a little bit of curb rash down here at the bottom of the lip, just below that valve stem. The rest of the wheel's in good shape. This does feature keyless entry and keyless start. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, pretty good shape. There's a few light scratches there on the lip of the wheel, and a little bit right there on the spoke and on the lip. For a 10-year-old car in great shape, I'm going to take you to the interior. It features a brown leather interior. Dark brown walnut inlays. Got Bang & Olufsen Premium Sound System. S-Line door sill guards. Audi all-weather floor mats. Up here to the driver front. Driver memory settings. Heated exterior mirrors. Does have lumbar support. Audi MMI navigation is standard with the Premium Plus. Got 3-stage heated front bucket seats, dual zone climate control. And current mileage, as you can see there at the bottom, 79718. You have a power sunroof. All right, folks, if you have any questions, give us a call here anytime, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check this out on our website. We'll post over 100 photos. That is autoassets.com.